Welcome everyone. Today I want to share something that can completely change the way you learn English. Many people believe that speaking English fluently depends on learning thousands of vocabulary words, memorizing complicated grammar rules, or translating every sentence from their native language. But the truth is much simpler than that. The real secret is training your brain to think directly in English. Think about how you learned your first language. As a child, you did not open a grammar book. You did not translate every sentence into another language. You listened, you observed, you repeated, and slowly your brain connected words with ideas, actions, feelings, and experiences. That is exactly how you should learn English too. Your brain is already designed to learn languages. You simply need to guide it in the right direction. Many learners say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak." Does this sound familiar? You hear a question, you know the answer. But before speaking, your brain starts translating every single word. By the time you finish translating, the conversation has already moved on. This is not because you are not smart. It happens because your brain has become dependent on translation. The good news is that habits can change. Your brain can learn a new way of processing English. From today, I want you to stop thinking of English as a school subject. Instead, think of it as a living language. Languages are meant to be spoken, heard, and felt. Every sentence you hear is an opportunity to build a new connection in your mind. Every word you speak strengthens that connection. Little by little, your brain becomes faster, and one day you realize that English comes naturally. Imagine waking up in the morning. Instead of thinking in your own language, try saying simple English sentences in your mind. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I need to brush my teeth. I need to drink some water. I am getting ready. These are not difficult sentences, but they teach your brain to think without translating. You are giving your mind daily practice, just like exercising a muscle. Some learners worry because they know only a few words. That is perfectly fine. You do not need thousands of words to begin thinking in English. Even with a small vocabulary, you can create many simple thoughts. If you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." If you see a window, think, "The window is open." If you are eating lunch, think, "The food is delicious." Keep your sentences short and clear. Simplicity builds confidence. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is waiting until they become perfect before speaking. Perfection is not the starting point. Practice is the starting point. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes while learning. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. Every mistake shows you what to improve. Instead of feeling embarrassed, smile and continue speaking. I want you to remember something very important. Fluency is not about speaking quickly. Fluency is about expressing your thoughts naturally. Even if you speak slowly, you are making progress. As your brain becomes more comfortable with English, your speed will improve naturally. Never compare your beginning with someone else's success. Another powerful habit is describing everything around you in English. If you are walking outside, notice the sky, the trees, the cars, the people, and the weather. Say in your mind, the sky is blue, the road is busy, a child is running, the weather is warm. This simple exercise teaches your brain to connect English directly with the world around you. Listening is another important part of thinking in English. Listen to simple English conversations every day. Do not worry if you miss some words. Focus on understanding the main idea. The more English your brain hears, the more familiar the language becomes. Over time, your brain begins to recognize patterns automatically. When you learn a new word, do not translate it immediately. Instead, connect it with a picture, an action, or a feeling. If you learn the word apple, imagine a fresh red apple. If you learn the word run, imagine someone running in a park. Pictures stay in your memory much longer than translations. Your environment also plays an important role. Surround yourself with English whenever possible. Change your phone language to English. Read simple English books. Watch English videos with subtitles if necessary. Listen to English while cooking, walking, or relaxing. The more your brain sees English, the more natural it becomes. Do not worry about learning many grammar rules at once. Grammar is useful, but communication comes first. Children speak correctly because they hear correct sentences repeatedly. You can learn the same way. Listen to good English every day, repeat what you hear, and your brain will begin recognizing correct sentence patterns naturally. Speaking to yourself may feel unusual at first, but it is one of the most effective ways to practice. Stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself. Talk about your family, your hobbies, your work, or your plans. Ask yourself simple questions and answer them in English. There is no pressure because nobody is judging you. This safe practice builds confidence for real conversations. Confidence does not appear overnight. It grows one sentence at a time. Every time you speak English, you are telling your brain, I can do this. Every conversation, every practice session, and every new word makes you stronger than yesterday. Some learners become discouraged because progress feels slow. Remember that language learning is like planting a seed. At first, you cannot see much happening. But beneath the surface, the roots are growing. One day, the plant begins to appear, and then it grows taller every week. Your English develops in exactly the same way. Trust the process. Instead of studying for many hours once a week, practice a little every day. 15 or 20 minutes of daily English is much more powerful than several hours only once in a while. Daily repetition teaches your brain that English is part of your normal life. Whenever you learn a new sentence, use it immediately. If you learn, I am excited, say it when you feel happy. If you learn, I am tired, use it after a busy day. Real-life practice helps your brain remember much better than memorization alone. Reading aloud is another wonderful habit. Choose a simple English paragraph and read it slowly. Listen carefully to your pronunciation. Repeat the same paragraph several times until it feels smooth. Reading aloud improves your pronunciation, your confidence, and your ability to think in English at the same time. Never fear forgetting words. Even native speakers sometimes forget words. When you cannot remember a word, explain the idea using simpler English. This skill is called paraphrasing, and it is one of the signs of a confident speaker. Celebrate small victories. Maybe today you understood one new sentence. Maybe you spoke English for 5 minutes without translating. Maybe you watched a short video and understood the main idea. These small achievements matter because they show that your brain is changing. Your attitude is just as important as your study method. If you keep telling yourself, English is difficult, your brain starts believing it. Instead, say, I am improving every day. I can learn English. I enjoy practicing. Positive thoughts create positive actions, and positive actions create lasting results. Remember that learning English is not a race. Everyone has a different journey. Some people learn quickly, while others need more time. The only person you should compare yourself with is the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word today than yesterday, you are moving forward. Try keeping a simple English diary. Every evening, write 5 or 6 sentences about your day. Write about what you did, what you learned, how you felt, or what you plan to do tomorrow. This habit encourages your brain to organize thoughts directly in English. Ask questions whenever you are curious. Curiosity is a powerful teacher. Every new question leads to new knowledge, and every answer becomes another building block in your English journey. Learn useful phrases instead of isolated words. For example, instead of memorizing only the word happy, learn the sentence, "I am happy to see you." Instead of learning only help, learn, "Can you help me?" Your brain remembers complete expressions more easily than individual words. Do not spend all your time trying to understand every grammar detail before speaking. Language grows through use. The more you use English, the more natural grammar becomes. Think of grammar as a guide, not a barrier. There will be days when you feel motivated and days when you feel tired. On difficult days, do not quit completely. Even 5 minutes of listening or speaking keeps your learning habit alive. Consistency is much more valuable than perfection. Always remember why you started learning English. Perhaps you want better career opportunities, to travel, to study abroad, to communicate with people from different countries, or simply to enjoy books and movies in English. Keep your purpose in your heart, because it will give you strength whenever you feel discouraged. As your English improves, challenge yourself little by little. Start with simple thoughts, then longer sentences, then short conversations, and finally discussions about ideas and opinions. Step by step, your brain becomes more flexible and more confident. Believe in your ability to learn. Your brain is incredibly powerful. It learns through repetition, practice, and patience. Every English sentence you hear, every word you read, and every conversation you have is shaping your mind into a confident English thinker. So from today, make one simple promise to yourself. Do not translate every thought. Give your brain the opportunity to think directly in English. Speak even when your sentences are simple. Listen every day, read every day, write every day, think every day. These small daily actions will create extraordinary results over time. I truly believe that you can become a confident English speaker. It does not matter where you begin. It matters that you continue. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. Every sentence you speak is another step toward fluency. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing with patience, and keep training your brain to think in English. One day, without even realizing it, you will smile because English will no longer feel like a foreign language. It will simply become another natural way for you to express your thoughts, your dreams, and your voice. Thank you, and I wish you success on your wonderful English learning journey.